Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you the features that can improve your customer experience by adding languages, translations, custom fonts and managing text direction for right to left and left to right layouts. So let's dive in. In Settings, Translations, we can see the list of available languages and we can manage it by setting the active language, mark some language as default, or adding new translations. Let's go and add Japanese translation. Japanese requires some additional glyphs in the font, since it's a very huge glyph language, so we will take care of it using the custom font that we will add from the Google Fonts. So firstly, I will add some Japanese translations that I prepared using just simple matching translation. Now let's go to the font and text direction settings. So here we can select the custom and we can provide the CSS code which defines the font files and other things. So for the demo purpose I will go to the Google Fonts, select the language Japanese and we'll select this font. So let me go and add some font families here. So I will select this light style, regular, medium and bold. Now I can go and hit on import and copy this import CSS string and put it here. So for the font family, I will just go and specify the font like this. So I replace it, the plus with spaces, and hit add. Now our translation is added. What we need to activate it. So let's test it. Let's go to the profile and select our Japanese language, hit save and refresh the page. Alright, so we can see that our translation is specified correctly. Also we can see the font style is changed according to the font that we previously selected. So next thing that I will show is how to add some right to left language. So for this I will add the Hebrew translations. Again, I prepared it using just a simple matching translation, nothing really special here. And in font and text direction settings we have the option to use right to left layout. Let's select it and hit add. Now let's activate our language and let's test it. Refresh the page. Yeah, so as we can see, translation strings specified correctly and the layout is changed from right to left. Also, the user can choose what layout he wants to use. So he can specify, by default is specified as auto, which means that it will be handled by the language settings, or user can force select right to left or left to right layout. So let me go back to English and continue with another thing. So the next thing that I want to show is how to specify translations for the solutions and widgets. For this, I will go to translations and I already prepared some custom strings here. So I will go and just add them for the English language to quickly test it. So the first thing it will be the smart home that we will use as our solution title. the home dashboard name for the dashboard, and temperature that we will use inside the widgets. So let's go to the solutions. So by specify the translations, we can use the special syntax that goes with add and brackets. Here we can specify the path to our translation key, which was the custom smart home. Hit save, and as you can see, the label on it changed according to my selected language. So let's go into the solution and apply same for our dashboard. So I will specify the home dashboard here, hit update. Oh, also let me use same translation inside web title. Alright, so here we can see the home dashboard and home dashboard here. So let's go to this dashboard, we can see the same titles here and the breadcrumbs, and let's add some widget. Just for demo purpose I will add line chart widget and specify the title as temperature. You can see the title changed. Let's go here and add some tab series. And the temperature, and in label legend I will specify the same string here and hit save. So as you can see, the translation is applied here. So let's go and publish the settings. And now let's go and check the public dashboard. Alright, so as we can see, we have our titles and widget labels as expected, and in the right corner we have the language selection. So let's go and, for example, choose the Hebrew. We can see that layout is changed and our translations goes as we expect to the widget. Let's quickly test Japanese. Okay, so that's about it. I think, and I really hope that you will find this feature very useful for your case, and happy IT development.